In this video, I'm going to show you how to give someone a view-only access to your Google Drive so they can look but cannot edit. The steps are following. You need to go to drive.google.com, right? And you want to find file or folder which you want to share. So for example, I can click on this document, right click on share from the dropdown, click on share again. Now to share with specific person, you will need to type in this box their email address. Then you can select the email address or you can press enter to confirm. And here next to the name, you want to choose a viewer role so they cannot edit your file. They can only view it or read it. Click on send. And now this person has access to this document, but can only view the document. If you want to maybe do this for more people and you don't want to type email of each person manually, you can just go here, general access, and here click on anyone with the link. And next to it, choose viewer. Now, if you copy your link, you can send it to your friend. I'm going to show you. I will quickly open a new incognito window. I will paste the link right in my URL. And you can see that I cannot edit anything because I'm only in the viewer mode. Now the thing is, even viewers can still download, print and copy your file. So we can stop this as well. So I will just click on this gear icon right in top right corner. And here you can uncheck who can download or print your file. So I can uncheck commenters and viewers. I can also uncheck editors if I want. Then go back, and now you will have truly view only because they cannot download or do anything with the file. They can only read it. And that's basically it for this video. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.